Welcome to Shark Park, home of the Willem Construction Sharks. Winners of 20 first grade premierships. 2012 was a huge year for the Sharks. After dominating the competition all year and winning the minor premiership, the Sharks went on to become 2012 premiers in a thrilling grand final. And to top it all off, South Sharks won the 2012 club championship for the 4th year in a row. 2013 is going to be even bigger again. With fantastic performances in pre-season trial games and our dynamic training program in full swing, this season is going to be a cracker. Management, coaches and the team would like to take this opportunity to thank all our sponsors for their support in 2012, and we look forward to more big wins in 2013. Thank you to our platinum sponsor, Willem Constructions. For more than 125 years, maintaining the highest standards of excellence in building construction, thank you, Willem Constructions. What a partnership.
The association with South is a great thing on many levels, but most of all it's the people, whether it's the people in the leagues club or on the committee or the players. It's hard to find a better bunch of people. I can tell you that the people behind the scenes are very much the salts of the earth and people you want to be around.
Thanks to our gold sponsors. Mackay Carpet Care and Restoration Services is Mackay's #1 carpet cleaning company. With a large range of services and a 24-hour emergency line, Mackay Carpet Care is always ready when you need them. Fresco's Quality Meats has been supplying premium quality beef, lamb, pork and chicken for over 20 years. Our retail outlet is located at 102 Bedford Road, Andergrove, with our wholesale warehouse located in Furston Street, Glenella. Fresco's Quality Meats, proud sponsors of the Sharks. CQ Curbing. At CQ Curbing, we specialise in concrete curbs, edging and channeling, and we're proud to sponsor the Sharks in 2013. Thanks to our silver sponsors. Come party with us, Blue River Ice, a proud local supplier providing Mackay and the Whitsundays with pure ice, made and packaged locally. Look out for the blue bags with the handles. Diggett Landscapes portfolio ranges from some of the state's most exquisite private gardens and award-winning estates and resorts, including public spaces such as the Blue Water Lagoon and the Mackay Entertainment and Convention Centre. Mackay Sports Power, Australia's largest sports power outlet. Locally owned for over 45 years, Sports Power believes in supporting the community that supports them and is proud to have a long association with Souths Football Club. Konami Australia, conceived by imagination, born from fun. Mass Nutrition, get stronger and train longer. At Mass Nutrition, build muscle, burn fat and get real results. Mass Nutrition Mackay, proud sponsors of the Sharks. Fusion Hair and Beauty. For all hair and beauty needs, come and be pampered by the friendly staff at Fusion Hair and Beauty. Bridal hair and makeup by arrangement. Fusion Hair and Beauty, 53 Sydney Street, Mackay. Aristocrat. In its 60th year of producing market-leading gaming machines, Aristocrat is proud to continue its partnership with Souths. Aristocrat, it's all in the game. Venus Couriers. Service with a smile. Mine specials, tilt tray service and more. From an envelope to a ton truck. Venus Couriers, proud sponsors of the Sharks. Thank you to our corporate sponsors. We value your support. Diageo, Embroidery Place, Blair Signs and Safety, Blue River Water, EHW Tech, Lion Nathan Forex, Coca-Cola, Evergreen Interiors, Mackay Reef Fish Supplies, Elite Physiotherapy, AJK Contracting, Keith Carroll Painting, Carlisle Motors Group, Blacks Real Estate, 7 Mackay, Elliott Contractors, Evolve Protection Services, Nomac Windscreen and Autoglass. We would also like to thank Souths Leagues Club for their ongoing support to the Sharks and Mackay Rugby League, a partnership that will last forever. Once again, we would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our sponsors for the contribution not only to the Sharks, but also to the community. Without you, our valued sponsors, we wouldn't be the team and football club that we are. Now, sit back, relax, and of course, enjoy yourselves. We'll see you again at Souths for a cold one soon. Go the Sharks in 2013!